Module 8, Forensic Analysis Techniques. Welcome to this tutorial on forensic analysis techniques. Investigators employ various methods to analyze and examine digital evidence in digital forensics. In this video, we will explore techniques used to investigate email and social media communications, analyze web browsing activities and internet history, and utilize keyword searching and indexing techniques to uncover valuable information. Let's begin by discussing the investigation of email and social media communications. Email and social media platforms contain a wealth of information that can provide crucial insights in a digital investigation. Investigators employ techniques such as 1. Email header analysis. By examining the email headers, investigators can identify the source, destination, and root of an email. This information helps establish the authenticity and origin of the communication. 2. Social media network analysis. Investigating social media communications involves analyzing profiles, connections, posts, and messages to understand relationships, identify relevant parties, and uncover potential evidence. Next, let's explore the analysis of web browsing activities and internet history. Analyzing web browsing activities and internet history involves examining browser artifacts, cache files, cookies, and bookmarks. These artifacts can provide valuable insights, such as visited websites, search queries, and user interactions. Investigators can reconstruct a user's online activities and uncover evidence related to their digital footprint. Lastly, let's discuss keyword searching and indexing techniques used in forensic analysis. Keyword searching involves identifying and searching for specific keywords or phrases within digital evidence. Investigators can employ tools that facilitate efficient searching across various file types, email databases, chat logs, and other forms of digital communication. Indexing techniques, on the other hand, involve creating searchable indexes or databases of the collected data. These indexes enable quick and accurate retrieval of relevant information during the investigation process. Forensic analysis techniques are crucial for uncovering valuable evidence in digital investigations. This tutorial has provided an overview of investigating email and social media communications, analyzing web browsing activities and internet history, and utilizing keyword searching and indexing techniques. In the next tutorial, we will delve into forensic analysis of file systems and data structures.